कब से अलग रह रहे हैं आप लोग?
21 नवंबर 2021 से।
21 नवंबर 2021 से। और कब एप्लीकेशन फाइल की थी? 13
26 अप्रैल।
26 अप्रैल को। ठीक है। कौन सा नंबर पे लगा है?
28।
कुछ कंप्रोमाइज की संभावना नहीं है आप लोगों के बीच में साथ साथ रहने के लिए? हैं?
नहीं।
क्यों?
बस में चल।
आगे आ जाइए।
उसमें बोलिए माइक।
सर साथ में नहीं रहना है।
आप दोनों ने डिसाइड किया है कि
दोनों ने निर्णय लिया है।
दोनों।
what I want to know is that if there are some differences which can be resolved through mediation, तो हम उसका प्रयास आप करना चाहेंगे कि नहीं करना चाहेंगे?
नहीं।
नहीं करना। लिखिए 28 नंबर में। श्री, आप किसके लिए हैं?
मैं हस्बैंड के लिए पिटिशनर।
श्री प्रदीप कुमार नवेरिया फॉर द पिटिशनर। श्री राजेंद्र कुमार विश्वकर्मा
रिस्पोंडेंट नंबर 3
और रिस्पॉन्ड नंबर
3।
Next, it is submitted that petitioner along ऐसा लिखिएगा, श्री प्रदीप कुमार नवेरिया along with the petitioner, श्री विश्वकर्मा along with the respondent number 3. Next, it is submitted that both the petitioner and the respondent wife are living separately since 21/11/21. That is after 4 months of their marriage. Full stop. The period of separation is over 1 year after expiry of mandatory period of 1 year cooling period. Full stop. They had filed an application on 6/5/23 before the learned family judge. कहाँ के हैं ये?
छिंदवाड़ा।
छिंदवाड़ा, प्रिंसिपल जज फैमिली कोर्ट छिंदवाड़ा, to waive cooling period of 6 months.
ये 10/4/23 का एप्लीकेशन मिला।
Full stop. This application dated 10/4/2023 annexure P1 has been rejected by the reject कर दी ना उन्होंने?
नहीं 6 महीने का टाइम दिया और ये उस पीरियड को
is not considered and it is directed that parties should wait for a period of 6 months. Next para. Judgment लाए हैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट का? दीजिएगा. Full stop. It is submitted that in the light of the judgment of Honorable Supreme Court, looking to the future of the parties, this intervening cooling period of 6 months can be relaxed. Full stop. In any case, more than 3 months' time has lapsed. Full stop. Both the petitioner and the respondent number 3 jointly submits that it is not possible to reconcile their differences and live together as husband and wife. Full stop. Looking to the fact that age of the petitioner is 36 years and that of the wife is 29 years and they have a long future ahead, and taking into consideration law laid down by Supreme Court in Amardeep Singh versus Arvind Kaur 2017 within bracket close 8 SCC 746, where Supreme Court has held that the cooling off period of 6 months is directory and not mandatory, and it has further held that conditions may be waived by the courts and not just Supreme Court under Article 142 of the Constitution, this court, after hearing learned counsel for the parties and interacting with the parties in person, is of the opinion that the aforesaid cooling period can be reduced to 3 months. They are now directed to appear before the learned family court Chindwada on 26 July 2023 along with the copy of the order being passed today, and the learned family court shall consider their application for grant of mutual divorce on its own merits. In about terms, petition is disposed of.
I pray for item